is Industry Excellence Awards. Well, this is awarded for the outstanding contribution made for the development of sugar and allied industry. May I request our Honorable Chief Guest, Shri Suresh Rana ji, Honorable Minister for Sugarcane Industry and Cane Development Department, Government of Uttar Pradesh, and Mr. Sanjay Avasthi, President Style, to do the honors of presenting the awards. Well, our first recipient of Industry Excellence Award is Chaddha Sugars and Industries Private Limited. For the same, I would request Mrs. Jasdeep Kaur Chaddha, Managing Director, and Mr. HPS Bhatia, Director of Chaddha Sugars and Industries, to kindly join us. Well, Chaddha Sugars and Industries is a part of Addy Broswan Group, set up by the visionary founder, late Sardar Hardeep Singh Chaddha. Over the years, the group has grown into business conglomerate with an annual turnover of more than 1,200 crores and having interests spanning from production of double refined exportable sugar, grains, and molasses. Well, the group established a sugar complex in the year 2010 at Gurdaspur, Punjab, with initial capacity of 4,500 TCD, which was later expanded to 7,500 TCD. A very big and a hearty congratulations to Chaddha Sugars and Industries. Well, this is indeed a very special day for Mr. HPS Bhatia. So this is 78th STI convention, and this year Mr. Bhatia is also turning 78. So it's a very big hearty congratulations to you. With this, we move on to our next awardee, and our next awardee in the same category is Shri Narmada Khand Udyog Sahakar Mandali Limited, Gujarat. Well, I would request Mr. Sanjay Joshi to kindly collect the award on behalf of Shri Narmada Khand Udyog. Shri Narmada Khand Udyog is a 2,500 TCD crushing capacity sugar factory having 45 KLPD distillery and a cogeneration plant. The Narmada Kusum Limited is a leading manufacturer of refined sugar, organic sugar, rectified spirit, ethanol, power, and biocompost. Well, this is the first distillery plant in Gujarat and India having total recycle and self-sufficient in utility use. Congratulations to Shri Narmada Khand Udyog Sahakar Mandali Limited. Come on, everybody, let's keep the claps going. Congratulations, sir. All right, with this, we move on to our next awardee in the same category, and the award goes to Mr. Anand Reddy, founder and CEO, Vijayanagar Sugar Private Limited. Well, the award is being received by Mr. G. Venkateshwara Rao on behalf of Mr. Anand S. Reddy. Shri Anand Reddy is the founder and CEO of Vijayanagar Sugar Private Limited. VSPL operates 5,000 TCD sugar plant, a 130 KL distillery and 35 megawatt power plant. VSPL started sugar operation in 2010 and has completed 10 seasons to date. Well, it produces high quality refined sugar for institutional customers as per their technical specifications. Congratulations to Vijayanagar Sugar Private Limited and Mr. Anand Reddy. Well, our next awardee in the same category is Mr. Vijay M. Nirani, Managing Director, MRN Group of Companies. Vijay M. Nirani is a young and an enthusiastic entrepreneur focused on the sugar industry, renewable energy, distilleries, cement industries, alcoholic beverages, education sector, as well as banking. He's a renowned name in the sugar industry with laurels of executing and commissioning a 10,000 TCD sugar unit at a very young age of 22 years. Vijay Nirani is backed up with a very strong management background and a solid technical base which has constantly helped him achieve various milestones in his work. He is presently on the board of several companies and an active decision maker and an executor. A very big and a hearty congratulations to you, Mr. Nirani. Thank you so much, Sri Rana ji and Mr. Awasthi, for doing the honors. To present the next set of awards, I would request Mr. J.J. Bhagat and Mr. Sanjay Awasthi to please do the honors. Our next awardee in the same category of industry excellence is Mr. Chaitanya Subodh Joshi, Director, Suveron Equipments Private Limited. Mr. Chaitanya Subodh Joshi is the Director of Messrs. Suveron Equipments Private Limited, established in 1998. He joined the company as a trainee engineer and has now 20 years of experience in the specialized field of juice, syrup, melt clarification and purification. He contributed for the development of new products like two-stage rotary juice screening system, hot raw juice screening system, Suveron's low retention time juice clarifier, decanter system for muddy juice treatment. Well, under the leadership of Mr. Chaitanya, Suveron has served various sugar factories in India and abroad by designing and supplying their innovative and specialized products. A very big and a hearty congratulations to you, Mr. Joshi. Congratulations, sir. With this, I take immense pleasure in announcing our next awardee. And our next recipient is Mr. Abdul Alim Saifi, Managing Director, 3-Star Engineering Works Private Limited. 3-Star was formed in the year 1989 with a meager capital of strong determination, and since then the company has been on the move. Mr. Abdul is the Managing Director and is the driving force behind its success, and his experience in the field have made the company name synonym with trust. Under his guidance, managerial skills and dynamic leadership, the company became the global powerhouse serving the sugar industry. He transformed 3-Star into a proud manufacturer of sugar plant machinery in a very less time frame. A very big and a hearty congratulations to you, Mr. Saifi. Congratulations, sir. Come on, everybody, let's keep the round of applause going. Well, our next recipient of Industry Excellence Award is Mr. Pavan Arora, Proprietor, Universal Heavy Engineering Company. Well, the award is being received by Mr. Sachin Maheshwari on behalf of Mr. Pavan Arora. Well, Mr. Pavan Arora, the proprietor of Universal Heavy Engineering Company, has an experience of over 23 years in sugar machinery business. The company was set up by his father, late Sri Vijay Arora, in 1983. He joined his father in 1999 and took complete charge of the company after he passed away in 2013. Well, under his leadership and innovative ideas, the company has done many modifications in clarifier and vacuum filters, which resulted in increased capacity. Congratulations to Mr. Pavan Arora. With this, I announce the next recipient of the Industry Excellence Award, which is Galaxy Industrial Equipments Private Limited, Pune. May I now request Mr. Aniket Khed and Mr. Ganesh Kulkarni, directors, to kindly collect the award. Come on, everybody, let's keep the round of applause going for Galaxy Industrial Equipment, which is a team of very young technocrats in field of fluid mixing with 19 years of rich experience, with vision to provide energy-efficient solutions in the mixing industry. Galaxy has already established itself as a technical solution provider to critical problems across process industry with more than 200 clients. It has been working for sugar industry since early 2000 to introduce the world-proven mixing technology to sugar industry and provide energy-efficient solution. A very big and a hearty congratulations to the team of Galaxy Industrial Equipments Private Limited. Come on, everybody, let's keep the round of applause going. Congratulations to you. With this, I announce our next recipient in the same category, Mr. Narpat Singh Raj Purohit, Managing Director, Raj Chemicals and Minerals. Come on, everybody, let's give a huge round of applause for Mr. Narpat Singh, who started his journey as a trader of lime in the year 1984. Over the period of time and excelling through the path of success, he established his own lime manufacturing plants by the year 1992. Mr. Raj Purohit is regarded as one of the distinguished lime suppliers in India and abroad, and Raj Chemicals and Minerals is today a leader in producing and supplying all forms of limestone and its derivatives to the sugar industry. Congratulations to you, sir. Thank you so much, Mr. Bhagat and Mr. Awasthi, for doing the honors.